Thank you for joining us today on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and it is that time of the year again. Time to get our CSV files ready for tax season 2023 for our 2022 crypto transactions. Now, for me, it's always easier just to have your exchanges open so you can get past all of the two-factor authentication that you have on your different exchanges. I'm going to show you how to download the CSV files for Coinbase, Uphold, and Binance US. Now, if you are a MEXX or MEXC user, or Crypto.com user, or KuCoin, any one of those exchanges. This is not to say those are not great exchanges. They're just not the ones that I use. So we're just going to keep it moving. First, with Coinbase, you're going to hit taxes, and you got your choice of doing the gains and loss CSV file. I'm going to do that. And then I'm also going to do my TurboTax gain and loss. I already have it. Now, Coinbase did something different this year. They have your 8949 form pre-filled, which is pretty cool, but you have to be a subscription holder to their Coinbase One subscription service. This thing is $29.99 a month. You get the first 30 days for free. Maybe you might want to look into that and then canceling before the 30 days is over. I may come back to that, may not, just to see what that 8949 form looks like. But for me right now, that's just a little bit too high of a fee, so we're just going to leave that alone. Next is my Uphold wallet. I'm going to go to More and click on Activity. And in the upper left-hand corner of the activity column, there's a little page icon. Click it, and you've got your transaction history. We're going to do that first. We're going to hit Generate Report. Okay. Then we're going to click it again, get the tax statement. Now, this is a PDF document. After you hit download, it just shoots it straight to you. And that's that. Finally, my Binance US. I'm going to go ahead and click on my profile icon. Click on Export Reports. And let's click on the Generate Reports button. We're going to select Tax, Yearly Report, Form Type. Let's do a transaction report. Let's do it for the year in question, 2022. And let's make a CSV file out of it and generate. Okay. You can generate up to 10 history or tax reports per month. You generated one this month. Well, let's go ahead and get our history since we're here. Select the asset. We're going to say all transactions. Let's do it for the entire year, 2022, January 1 to December 31st. Confirm, and a CSV file, and generate that one. So those are your files, your CSV files being generated. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our download folder next. Now, once you've downloaded your CSV files into a nice little format, you can go ahead and open up your Google browser. We're going to go right into Google Sheets. Now, to do that, all we're going to do is just open up a web page, google.com, and then click on the Apps button, which is in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down till you get to Sheets and hit a blank sheet. From there, the easiest way to import these files and the fastest way to import that CSV data is just by clicking on File, Import, and go to the location where you saved your CSV file information. I put it in a folder called 2022 Crypto CSV. Here's my Coinbase data. I hit open and I import it, and it's done. I'm going to hit File, New, Spreadsheet, and I'm going to do the same thing. Hit Import, go to Upload, Browse, get my upload data, import the data, and you repeat the process. Now, last year, I was using cointracker. This was a good way to get all of your CSV files into a nice little report. Taxes were ready to go. Coinbase actually had a partnership with them last year. And what does that mean? Well, last year, here is a bigger picture of it, and so you can see side by side. With the Coinbase plan that they had last year in the 2021 taxes, you had 3,000 Coinbase and Coinbase Pro transactions you could report for $0. That's big. Now let's flip the script to this year. There is no partnership. You only get 25 transactions with cointracker for free. Okay, so I've exceeded that. I've got over 625 transactions. What that means is you can do 2 crypto transactions per month for the entire year, and that's your free offering. Not really happy about that. Even the hobbyist, which is $60 a year, 100 transactions. Many of us go over that 100 transaction limit fairly quickly in the year. Premium, 1,000 transactions. Now we're talking to where most of us are at. If you're a miner like me, or you make a lot of crypto transactions in and out, 1,000 may seem like a lot, but it really isn't. And even with that, they've kind of discounted the price. They want $200. They're going to apply a discount, $160 just to create these forms for us and get this tax information together. That's just not going to cut it for me this year. I'm a bit disappointed about that. I got to be honest. I wanted to promote cointracker. There are some other tools out there. I will bring them to you just as soon as I find them. If you guys have any questions about how to pull together those CSV files, each one of those exchanges are going to have different ways to format that data, or those column headers, and what data they're actually looking for. I just wanted to tell you about that cointracker issue. I was looking forward to using it on my taxes this year. I guess we're going to have to use something else. But also, I heard a little birdie mention that crypto transactions from one wallet you own to another may not generate a taxable event. So let's just see if that is true. Now, I'm pulling this information from CoinLedger.io. Is moving cryptocurrency between wallets taxable? Well, moving cryptocurrency between wallets that you own is not taxable, meaning it doesn't create a taxable event. We're going to go there to that article, see where it's highlighted. Again, it's CoinLedger that's giving us this information. There are a bunch of other details you want to take into consideration before you pursue this. Make sure you're contacting your tax professional and your accountant before getting into anything like this. But be armed with your CSV files ready to go when you file your taxes. Now, if you plan to do these things yourself, there is the Form 8949 that you're going to have to add to your 1040A, and that will be probably enough. But again, when you're dealing with the federal government, make sure you reach out to a federal tax professional so that you don't make any mistakes and you don't end up owing a lot more money than what you should owe. Okay, you guys be good. Thanks for joining us, and we will talk to you very, very soon.